Welcome to Neuroprompt, where we explore science-backed ways to reprogram your operating system. Today, I've got something for you that sounds silly at first, but stick with me. Want a genius idea? Walk backward. No, seriously. 10 steps in reverse can actually change how your brain thinks. Here's why. Most of us live our days on autopilot. We move the same way, along the same paths, through the same routines. And the brain loves routine because it saves energy. But that also means your thinking gets stuck in the same grooves. Psychologists have discovered that disrupting even small physical patterns can jolt the brain out of its comfort zone. One of the simplest? Walking backward. Multiple studies show that when people walk backward, it boosts both memory retrieval and divergent thinking. That is the type of thinking you need for creativity, problem solving, and connecting ideas in new ways. Why does this happen? Because moving in reverse forces your brain to remap space and body movement. It has to work harder, and that extra effort recruits new neural pathways. Those pathways spill over into your thinking. Here's a simple example. Imagine you're struggling to remember something: a phone number, a name, a detail from a meeting. One experiment found that literally walking backward improved recall. It's as if your brain says, if my body is rewinding, my mind should rewind too. Another study tested creative problem solving after people walked backward versus forward. The backward walkers generated more original ideas. Disrupting movement disrupted stale thought patterns in the best way. Let me tell you how this works in practice. Say you're stuck on a problem at work. Instead of pacing around the office, get up and walk 10 feet backward down the hall. It feels weird. Your brain wakes up. Suddenly, you're not running the same thought loop. You're in a new state. And from that state, ideas flow differently. Or picture yourself at home, doom scrolling, brain fog heavy. Stand up. Step backward through your living room for just half a minute. Sit back down and notice what shifted. Your body is telling your mind, hey, something's different. And your mind responds with fresh associations. Of course, you might be thinking, what if people look at me funny? Honestly, that's part of the hack. Embracing something unconventional frees you from worrying about looking normal. That mental freedom is fuel for creativity too. So here's your challenge. The next time you're stuck on a problem, don't just think harder. Walk backward. Even 10 steps can jolt your mind into a new gear. And if you want to take it further, try it with a friend. Pick a question you're both stuck on, then walk backward together. You'll laugh, which relaxes the brain. You'll feel ridiculous, which lowers your defenses. And you'll remember the moment better because it was shared. Shared novelty cements memory and sparks insight. Now I want to hear from you. What's a problem or idea you've been stuck on? Try the backward walk, see what comes up, and share your discovery in the comments. I'll pin the most surprising answers. And don't forget, subscribe to Neuroprompt for more science-backed upgrades that make your brain sharper, your days richer, and your life longer. Feeling, your operating system isn't fixed. You can rewire it. One backward step at a time.